Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create TRC20 account using Trust Wallet. For that, first of all, you just have to download and install the Trust Wallet mobile application in your device. Then you need to press Get Started option. After that, it will ask you to create a new wallet. So since you want to create a new wallet, you need to select it. Now it will ask you to get the seed phrase. So you need to tap on the Create button. Now tap on the backup option, so you can either backup it manually or you can even use the Google Drive. If you have selected the option of backing it up manually, then it will show you the seed phrase which you just have to copy and keep somewhere safe. You don't need to share these seed phrase with anyone. So if you selected the Google Drive option, then you just have to select your email address and your recovery phrase will be backed up on your Google Drive. After finishing this step, you just have to simply tap on the next option, and here you just have to either use the fingerprints or you can even add your passcode. Once done, it will show you that you have successfully created your Trust Wallet account. Now over here we are going to find TRC20. So let's say you want to have a USDT on TRC20. So you just have to simply search for USDT and then you will be able to find USDT based on Tron, that is TRC20 network. If you want to save TRC20 network on the home page of your Trust Wallet, then tap on this plus icon in the top right hand corner and here you need to search for Tron. Now once you are able to find it, you just have to simply tap on it and the TRX, that is the native token of Tron, will be saved on the Trust Wallet. So this way you can create TRC20 account using Trust Wallet. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.